I'm the MYDLOCK. Well, I'm not the MYDLOCK. I'm Josh. That's me right there, on the left, with my grandpa George. He invented the MYDLOCK. Now it's very, very easy to use. And what you want to do is put it into the door frame of any inward swinging door, just like this. You see? Pretty easy, huh? Now, after it's in the door frame, you push it forward, it drops down, turn it a few times to the right, and you're engaged, all safe and ready to go. Now, to disengage, just do the opposite. To the left, open the door, you're off and running. Now, MYDLOCK is 100% made in the USA. This week, we go live on Amazon. And at MYDLOCK, we believe that you are busy being you. You should feel safe, at home or away. MYDLOCK, portable door defense. Have a good day.